In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left over here and click on Edit. After this, you can basically just select whatever you want to edit. So, for example, if I want to edit this text, I can just click inside it, and it's going to kind of give it a red border, and I could go ahead and just type whatever I wanted in here. For example, I could change some text, I could add something, delete something, whatever you want to do, and of course, you could also highlight it, and then you have a bunch of different options under Format up here. You could change its font, you could change basically how it looks like, whether it's lowercase, uppercase, you could change the color of your text, you could basically change size, you could do whatever you want up here, alignment, spacing, the editing tool. There's a bunch of things you could do and basically a bunch of things you can change. And of course, text is not the only thing you can change. You could go and click on different like fields or like maybe shapes as well, and you could change those as well. So as you can see here, it's going to allow me to kind of select this. I could move this around, I could rotate it, I could resize it over here inside borders, stuff like that. So yeah, there's a bunch of different things you can actually do with this, and it's actually very convenient because it allows you to actually convert and change any PDF no matter what it actually has on there. Okay, so that's how to edit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.